Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. This is Azam from Investify.com. So in this quick video, I'm going to go over something that a couple of individuals had a question about, and that was the trade alert that I sent yesterday for VG, which is Vonage Holdings. Now, the way that we take these trades is based on a few fundamentals and technical requirements that need to be met. So here's the thing. People were asking about why showing this, why choosing Vonage when there isn't any news or new product coming from this company or any kind of strong financials. Well, here's the thing. We actually did some research on Vonage Holdings, and first of all, it meets the requirements that are Sharia compliant. That is the most important aspect for any position that we take in the markets, is that the stock has to meet the Sharia compliant requirements. The second thing about Vonage is that right here, if you just look at the chart for pricing, and I'm looking from 2016 from the bottom left here, the lowest it had reached in 2016 was at $3.80. And from there, it shot up to over $7.57 as the high. So it doubled within a year. One of the key metrics that we look at, besides the stock being Sharia compliant, is that does this stock has potential to move at least 20% within the upcoming 52 weeks, within the upcoming year. And Vonage meets that requirement, along with the fact that if you just look at the chart, it has been in an uptrend. So here's the thing. Despite the financials looking a little murky, companies still tend to move forward. Amazon, for the longest time, never showed profit in any of the quarterly earnings, yet their stock just kept on growing. And from 2009, when it was at $60 a share, it has gone up to over $900 a share because of the value that that company can provide. Vonage still has a huge customer base, and it's in an uptrend. We are anticipating that this stock has more potential within the year to come. Now, if I'm wrong, number one, what happens is we have very limited risk on this. We're risking about 60 cents a share. So even if you buy 100 shares, you're risking $60. If you're buying 10 shares, you're risking $6, okay? So it's a very limited risk, but the intent here is that we're going to be looking to make really higher returns for the risk that we are inputting. The other aspect is, yes, we do our research. We do provide the stocks that we ourselves are taking, so that there is a clear transparency in what we do, but you don't have to take the stock if you don't feel comfortable with it. And that's completely fine. Our job is to give you recommendations. And the other thing that we're going to start doing, inshallah, is that if you have any questions about any stocks from time to time that you want to know if it's Sharia compliant or not, please do reach out to us, and we will do the research for you as well to let you know directly that, okay, you know what, this stock looks like it's pretty solid, there's potential with it, and it's Sharia compliant. So if you want to do some personal, we can do that from time to time for you as well. So that's what our logic behind taking Vonage is. It's meeting a lot of our requirements, it's a cheap stock, and it has potential to go up more than it has to go down. And if it does go down, that's fine, because our risk is limited, just like with every single trade we take. So I hope that this video helps you guys understand how we are thinking about this. Our main priority is obviously capital preservation for you guys, that you don't lose your principal amount. But secondly, is that you guys get phenomenal returns on your investments. And we are very disciplined about that, and we take approaches that some individuals might disagree with, and that's completely fine. But our goal is always the success for all you guys. All right, take care. If you have any questions, please message us. And thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.